So in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about disk scheduling algorithm. So from today, we are going to start with unit 4. The goal of the disk scheduling algorithm is to minimize the seek time. Now what is seek time? Seek time is the time taken to reach the desired track. So to understand this, let's study the architecture of the hard disk. Here I have drawn a figure. So hard disk, I have shown the hard disk. Hard disk is a collection of multiple platters. Means one hard disk has multiple platters. So you can see here I have shown platters over here. Okay, so these circular things are platters. Okay, the platter will have two surfaces, the upper surface and the lower surface. Each surface will have multiple tracks. Okay, so I have shown here the tracks, multiple tracks here. So each surface will have multiple tracks and each track will have multiple sectors like this. Okay, these are the partitions on the tracks. Okay, so when the operating system or the user stores the data, it is saved in these sectors. When we want to read the data, it is fetched from these sectors. To reach a particular sector, first we must reach a platter. First we should reach a platter. Okay, then a surface. What I said, platter will have either the upper surface or the lower. Okay, so first we should reach a platter, then a particular surface, then in the surface a particular track, and then in that track a particular sector to read the data. Okay, so data is lying where data will be stored in the sector. So we have to follow these steps. First we should reach a platter, then surface, then a particular track, and then a sector. So how it is done? So there is an actuator arm which will help us to reach from a platter to a sector. So arm has a read and write head. I have shown here. See, read and write head. Okay, and the characteristic of read and write head is to move back and forth. So this will move like this. Okay, back and forth to access a particular track and a particular sector. We have to move this read and write head to the desired track. Okay, for example, if the head is on track number 1 and the data is on the track number 25. Okay, so I can show like this. So this is your hard disk. Suppose this is track. There are multiple tracks like this. Okay, many tracks like this. So maybe your track number 1 is here and track number 25 is here. Okay, so we want to move the head from track number 1 to track number 25 to fetch the data. So the time required for this movement, okay, the time required for this movement of a head from track number 1 to track number 25 is called a seek time. Okay, I said in the beginning what I said, the seek time is the time taken to reach the desired track. Okay, so what is the disk scheduling algorithm's goal? We want to reduce this seek time. Okay, so we want the system should, we want that the system should be fast and the time required to reach from track number 1 to track number 25 should be minimum. So that is the goal of these algorithms. Okay, so there are different methods, different algorithms. First come first serve is the first algorithm. Okay, FCFS. Second is shortest seek time first, which is known as SSTF. Then scan, look, then C scan, that is circular scan, and then C look, that is circular look. So we are going to discuss each and every method or algorithm in detail with the help of numerical.